What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Currently on my way to Dick's Sporting Goods because today I'm practically an errand boy. I want to get a new cup for work. Well, a Rambler body, Yeti bottle thing. And then on the way back, I have to stop at a CVS and get some. So, yeah, and it's supposed to rain a lot. Or, well, it wasn't supposed to rain, it's supposed to be sunny, but decided that it's gonna rain. So it's been raining on and off, and I might hit some rain, and you guys will be here for it. Got a 20-minute ride to Dixon, Woodbury. So, hope you guys enjoy. Grab some popcorn and, I don't know, relax. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy. I find this somewhat entertaining. Oh, this backpack's whipping me. That hurts. Oh. Yesterday when I was wearing this, I was just wearing a t-shirt. It was whipping me. My boobs hurt, man. Oh. I didn't change the ND filter, so this video might be a little darker. But it shouldn't be that dark. I'm sorry in advance if it's pretty dark. Super mover? What? Do they come with workers too? Look at those snakes. You get Eddie Hall with that super mover? I think his name's Eddie Hall. Eddie something. Like, the strongest guy, quote unquote, in the world. I think it's Eddie Hall. I hope it's that. I don't want to look like an idiot. So speed limit 60 and we're going 80. You ain't going 20 over, you ain't doing it right. Oh, tired. Ooh, I like that color blue. So like that blue with the grain in it. And then with the red accents. Yeah, that's really nice. Why does everyone go so fast on other roads, but on this road everyone's doing practically the speed limit? Is that no warning sign? Maybe there's cops. Never mind, there's one on my ass. Cars, bikers! They didn't wave to me, sadly. Ooh, look at that Range Rover. Okay. Now we gotta pay attention to the lines because this road's all jank. Oh! I gotta get over! What the hell? Ooh, I don't like that. Oh, that was not fun. I felt my tire grip that groove. Oh, tire slid down that one. This road's a goddamn death trap. Oh, I might go to cycle gear. Might. Ooh, I don't like that. It's like they decided to cut the road up. I'm not doing anything with it. That was only sketch and a half. Skirt. I don't know if I want to go to cycle gear anymore. Okay, we'll go this way. Oh, all those pops. Alright, we'll keep it in a second. Dude, my sinuses is all congested. I'm like choking on mucus. It's blocking my airway. Okay. Wait, we go up more. Oh, it's right there. Duh. Stupid. Yeah, I have the right of way, lady.
look at that poop crown Subaru. Poop green. I was going somewhere else. Ooh. Don't mind if I do. Oh. Okay, you stay there. Okay, I'm gonna stop the recording. Okay. We're on our way to Cycle Gear because it's 7 minutes away. It's not that far. That guy over there is sketchy as f***. Sorry for my cussing. But he walked over here and then turned around and walked away. Oh, that's why. Got it. That's why he walked away. Because it was a popo. No, he looked at me when he was walking, took a U-turn, walked towards me, and then walked away. While I was changing some camera settings because something goofed up. So, yeah, that's nice. It's hot as balls. I'm sweating. I was trying to get directions. I was trying to fix the gain on my microphone. It might be a little quieter now. The reason I did that is because it was clipping before, and I adjusted it too much, and I didn't look at the number of what it was. Oh, wait, no, I want to go this way. Oh, it's because it's a one-way. Alright, I'm never really ridden around here, so trial and error. That's what I'm gonna say. Hopefully my microphone's not too quiet. I'm worried now. I think it was at 14. It's at 13 now. Negative gain. Oh, it's here. Look what there's motorcycle parking. Okay. I just want to see what they have. This one didn't have anything last time. Okay, I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. I'm back again. They didn't really have anything. So we're on our way back. It's thundering, and it looks like it's probably raining, so I pray, I hope. Probably won't come true, though. So, we'll see what happens. Do we get stuck in the rain on the freeway? Do we not get stuck in the rain on the freeway? If it takes us the freeway route. Oh, it's raining. Got hit right in the face. I have no electronics on me that aren't waterproof, so I should be good. It's just the fame of it. Ooh, big truck. It's not raining too bad. Ooh, that's black. That is dark. At least where I'm going, doesn't look that dark. Oh my god, my camera's not waterproof. That's right. Great. It's not too bad. We got this. Yay, it's raining. We haven't had enough of that. I'm really super wet. Hey, okay, this isn't too bad. Obviously, I don't want to be rained on, but for rain, it's not too bad. Cross my fingers, it doesn't get worse. I wonder how it feels to get hit with rain with like with this short sleeve shirt. Because it hurts just hitting my sweatshirt. Granny's scared of a little rain. Shiver me timbers. This is really fun.
You want me to get off right here? Well, I could have got off back there and ended up in the same location. So now I'm gonna sit and... Okay, Siri, shut up. Okay. I wonder how far we can skid. Oh, we're skidding. Oh, I'm wet. Ooh, slick roads. Sipping some tire. Oh, I can't see anything. My poor camera better still work. Rain, rain, please go away. We don't want you over here. We don't need more rain for a little bit. We're good with rain. Ooh, look at that little Hornet. I have two of them. They have a gray one. They're kind of ugly. Rain thoughts. The Dodge Hornet. Kind of ugly. Really ugly. Ooh. Okay. Also, question. So, if we can make waterproof ports in phones, why can't we do it in a camera when people need to plug microphones into them sometimes? That's just like my hot take.
Okay, you gotta shut Siri off. Siri's pissing me off. There. Okay. Off. Okay, good.
Oh, getting water in my face. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here because I'm wet and I'm not gonna get any more wet because I'm already drenched. So, other than that, I hope you guys so gracefully loved my video and rate it 10 out of 10. Okay, that's all I got for you. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this. But other than that, I'm gonna let you go once I get to this intersection. Sweet. Okay. Bye.